folks, I have a really cool 5-string banjo to show you today. This is number 890, and it was inspired by the banjo that I made for Steve Varney a few years ago. And Steve's actually got a banjo record coming out, so you should stay tuned. We'll definitely link to that when he finishes. But the main specs of it that matter are that it's walnut, it's got a 12-inch rim with a brass tone ring, fiber skin head. And this one that we used a little piece of cherry there for the cap, cherry striped on the neck. And the rest is walnut and pistachio. Really cool piece of pistachio up here. It's like a little valley there at the nut, huh? A piece of sapwood there with some cool little flaws that I really like. Yeah, and I think with the 12-inch rim, it usually benefits from having the brass ring. I think just the all-wood rim on a 12-inch rim can be a little too dark. But I think the brass gives it that punch it needs. Yeah, feels good. Number 890, ready to go.